Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to my today's online class. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Here once again to meet in our online class. This is our virtual platform. I think this online class will help you to continue your study. Today's class is designed for the students of Standard 9. Now I am here to discuss about chapter 4. The name of this chapter, the land configuration of Bangladesh. First, we will know about the land. As we know, our earth surface is divided into two parts, water body and landmass. So any part of the earth surface is not covered by water. The part of the earth surface occupied by continents and islands. So land is an area of ground with reference to its nature or composition. Topography or configuration, in Bengali it is Bhuprakriti. Configuration means relative arrangement of parts or elements such as shape or contour. So configuration of a land surface including its relief and contours, the distribution of mountains and valleys, the pattern of rivers and all other features, natural and artificial, that produce the landscape. As we know, Bangladesh is a small country. It has considerable topographic diversity. We know Bangladesh is one of the large deltas of the world, and the whole of Bangladesh is formed with generic hilly region, limited highland and a vast area of plain land washed by alluvial water. So the land configuration of this country is of low and level. So Bangladesh is one of the large deltas of the world. So question, what is delta? A delta in Bengali it is Bodip. A delta is an area of low flat land shaped like a triangle where a river splits and spreads out into several branches before entering the sea, and the word delta comes from Greek word, the letter delta. Now here is the map of Bangladesh, and this map of Bangladesh will give us the accurate position or land for configuration of the hill tracts area, the northeastern zone, the hillock or tilla areas, the burning tracts and the flood level land. Bangladesh is situated at the basin of three largest rivers, and the Ganga, present the Podda, the Brahmaputra and the Meghna of South Asia. Now geographical location of Bangladesh in world map. As we know, Bangladesh is situated in the northern hemisphere and stand part to the south of Asia continent. So look at the world map. Here if we imagine, here is the equator and northern hemisphere eastern part, the in Asia continent, the position of Bangladesh, and here given the 7 continents: Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. And here in Asia continent, the southern part of Asia continent, the position of Bangladesh is here. Here this is the Indian Ocean and here is the Bay of Bengal. As we know, the Bay of Bengal is the channel of Indian Ocean. Next, look at the figure. This is the position of Bangladesh. We know Bangladesh is situated to the south of Asia continent, and the region, if we want to locate any region of the world, so there is latitude and longitude must have to measured, and the latitudes of Bangladesh, that is, this is the equator and it is Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north, which is passes through Bangladesh. And if we make a angular distance, we can see it is 20 degree 34 north axis and 26 degree 38 as well as 88 8 degree 01 minute east meridian of longitudes and 92 degree 41 minutes east longitudes, and the Tropic of Cancer passes through over the middle of Bangladesh. So the here we can easily locate the position of Bangladesh. Inside this grid, these two are latitudes and these two longitudes, and this inside the grid there is the position of Bangladesh. And follow here. I have tried to show you the 4 directions: west, east, north and south. Here we can see the maximum extent of east to west 440 km and the maximum extent from north to northwest and south to southeast 760 km. Now, how is the geographical periphery of Bangladesh? Follow. We have 2 neighboring countries we know, India and Myanmar. And here West Bengal of India, which is situated the western part, then West Bengal of India, Meghalaya and Assam are situated to the north of Bangladesh. Assam, Tripura, Mizoram situated to the east of Bangladesh, and southeastern corner here is Myanmar, and the Bay of Bengal is situated to the southern part of Bangladesh. So follow here to the north West Bengal of India, Meghalaya and Assam, to the east Assam, Tripura, Mizoram and Myanmar, to the south here is Bay of Bengal, to the west West Bengal of India, and the southeastern part here is the Myanmar. So the total area of Bangladesh is 1,47,570 square kilometers. Also we can say 56,977 square miles. Now the classification of land configuration of Bangladesh. On the basis of land configuration, Bangladesh is divided into 3 categories: the hills of Tertiaries, flight of steppes of Pleistocene, and flat level land of the recent age. Here 2 words is very new to you, that is the Tertiary age and the Pleistocene age. Just a little concept I am going to share with you about the geological time scale, GTS. This geological time scale is a system of chronological dating that relates geological strata to time. And here Earth is divided into 4 divisions: Aeon, Era, Period and Epoch. We are living in the Phanerozoic Aeon, Cenozoic Era, Quaternary Period and Holocene Epoch. The Earth scientists use it to describe the timing and relationship of events that have occurred during Earth history. Now look at the table. Here we know the period is the basic unit of geological time in which a single type of rock system is formed. So a small concept I want to share, that is it is era, Cenozoic era, and periods, quaternary periods and tertiary periods. And these tertiary periods divides into new periods, 2 new periods, that is Neogene period and Paleogene period. And in this Neogene period we are observing here the epoch, Pleistocene epoch. So tertiary is the little vast than the epoch, this Pleistocene epoch and the tertiary period, and we are living in a Cenozoic era. And we know 2 or more periods comprise a geological era and 2 or more eras form an Aeon, and Aeon is the largest divisions of geological time scale. And follow here in this Cenozoic era, tertiary period, here the mammals took the birth over there. So we can say, what is tertiary period? Interval of geological time lasting from approximately 66 million to 2.6 million years ago. It is the traditional name for the first of 2 periods in the Cenozoic era. that is 66 million years ago to the present, and the beginning of this period was very warm and moist compared to today's climate. Pleistocene. The Pleistocene is the geological epoch that lasted from about 2580,000 to 11,700 years ago, and the most recent ice age occurred then as glaciers covered huge parts of the planet Earth. Now we will know the characteristics of the hills of Tertiary age. Our Tertiary age hills divided into two parts: hills of southeastern region and hills of northeastern region. First of all, we will know the hills of southeastern region. The characteristics follow. The hills of Tertiary age possesses an volume approximately 12% area of the large total volume of Bangladesh. These hills were formed while the Himalayas was formed in Tertiary age. The hills of southeastern region comprises of Rangamati, Banderbans, Khagrachuri, Bazar and the eastern regions of Tirong districts. The hills and mountains in this part possesses an average height of 610 meter. Next, the name of the highest peak of Bangladesh is Tajingdong, Bijoy, possessing a height of 1231 meters, situated in Bandarbans district. The second highest peak of Bangladesh is Keukaradang, possessing a height of 1230 meters. The hills of mountains in this region comprises of sandstone, clay and sandstone. The next, hills of north and northeastern region. This part comprises of the hills of the northeastern regions existing at the northern regions of Mymensingh and Netrakona, at the north and northwestern region of Sylhet and the south of Moulobibazar and Hobiganj. These hills possesses an high average height not exceeding to 44 meters. The hills of the north are locally known as Tila or Hillock. The height vary 30 to 90 meters. Chiknagul, Khashia and Jantia are the main hills in this part. Next, we will know the plains of the Pleistocene age, the characteristics of this. This part comprises of about 8% of the total volume of the land of Bangladesh. It is formed due to originating of floods with the internally melted icy waters of that period, and the flight strips of the Pleistocene age may be divided into three categories: the Barendra Bhumi, the Madhupur and Bhawelgarh, and the Lalmai. We will know the Barin tract. This red colored part consider the Barin tract, which are situated in the northwestern part of Bangladesh. The Barendra Bhumi comprises some parts of the northwestern districts of Bangladesh. The height of such areas is more than the flood level land by 6 to 12 meters. Soils of these areas are of grey and red color. Lies in the monsoon region in the summer dominant hemisphere, and the climate of this area is generally warm and humid. The region has already been designated as drought prone area. Its average temperature ranges from 35 degree to 25 degree in the hottest season and 9 degree to 15 degree in the coolest season. This region is free from floodwater, as the rainwater is the only source of groundwater. This tract is rich in mineral resources: coal, peat, limestone, white clay, etc. We can see over there. Next, the Madhupur and Bhawelgarh, or fourth region. The courtiers of the Madhupur and Bhawel comprises of some parts of the districts of Mymensingh, Tangail and Gazipur. It possesses a volume near about of 4103 square kilometers. The height of such areas is more than the level land by 6 to 30 meter. Soils here possesses reddish and grey hue. About Lalmai Hill. The Lalmai Hill is stretched from Lalmai, which is 8 km far away to the west from Kumilla city up to Mainamoti. It possesses a volume of 30 square kilometer. The average height of these hills is 21 meter. Soils also possesses reddish hue and are mixed with pebbles, sands and gravels. Now we will know the flood level region of recent age. A vast land comprising about 80% of the total volume washed by river water. This flood level land possesses a volume of 124 to 66 square kilometer. The soils of this area is very deep and the land is very fertile. For this reason, it plays a vital role in producing agricultural produces, and this region is formed with alluvium carried from the Himalaya. Today up to this. Thank you all. God bless you.